Hey YouTube, today we're going to be building a colony transport ship. You can find it here on Thingiverse. If you want to build one for yourself, the link will be in the description down below. So there are 34 different pieces that you have to print and glue together. First we can start with the base. There are 3 arms that fit into the slots. Now for the ship, start with the main body and glue the upper body on top. Then you can glue the top cover in the center of the upper body. Next are the vector thrusters. They are all individually labeled because they aren't all the same size. Make sure you test fit them to see which ones go in the right spot. Now we can set the main body aside and build the main engine. The main engine Y should line up with the left and right side engines. There's a slot in the main engine that should help make sure they line up correctly. Next you can fit the left and right inner engines inside. Last is the main thruster that goes into the bottom of the engine. Now set that aside and grab the fuel tanks. Glue the upper and lower tank halves together. Then take the upper and lower fuel tank thrusters and glue those together. The smaller one should fit inside the bigger one. Then glue the thrusters to the lower fuel tank on the open area. Next is the external fuel tank. Glue that to the external fuel thrusters. Then glue the external fuel tank to the regular fuel tanks, having them sit inside the saucers. Last is the rear flap. Line the cover up and glue it into place. Now let's put everything together. First, glue the front cover panel to the bottom of the body. Next, you can put the engine on. After that, glue the rear flap into the back. And last is the fuel tanks. Now that it's done, this is a dope ship. It was fun to build. This model was made very well and everything fit together almost perfectly. Well, if you got to the end of the video, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe if you want to build more models with me.